Silky beat.
Alright guys, so you don't know the program. Basically, a subscriber hit me up and said that, yo, I want to learn how to ride a bike. Gave him the details and we made the arrangement and everything. So this video will be covering 2 lessons that I've given him, and you'll actually see the progress that he's made in 2 lessons. And I am very surprised at the progress he's made. This guy is actually ready for the road after just 2 lessons. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video. Bless him. So starting out, we had to show him the basics, you know, the different parts of the bike, the brake, the clutch, basically everything. We had to give him the rundown of every single part that actually functioned in making the bike start, stop, go, you know, all of them stuff there.
Well, you can record to my youth.
So when you're teaching somebody, it's essential to let them know the power that the bike has. If a person does not respect the power of the bike, then basically they're going to want to, you know, give it all and run in a somebody vehicle or run on a building or run over the road or somewhere. So once you go ahead, you walk them through the different parts of the bike. Stopping is essential. There's no way you can teach somebody how to move off and not teach them how to stop. And that's where a lot of persons have problems. So always teach them how to stop. Basically, that's what I'm doing here, showing him all the different parts of the bike and walking him through the basics.
Alright. You know what the problem is? You know what the problem was? Remember, hold the clutch. Once you start moving, you just hold it. Remember, you see my video, he's not there yet, you know?
The invisible. The invisible man.
funny, don't you? A joke. So you feel confident about the turning now, right? You see, once you turn, you look where you want to go, and you know you have the right foot open to the corner. Whichever corner you take, you have the foot open to the corner. Good. Look where you want to go, slow. Just the gas input. You know, you kind of chop it on it, but once you have the right input, slow and steady. That one, you're alright with turning. Try the next way. You have to get used to gas first. Smooth application.
Ma look at ground. Ma look at ground.
Directly dump on the ground like so. But then you are going to eventually go. So always when you turn, look up. You know, directly turn your head like so, but look which part you want actually. Look on the road ahead and then turn.
Yeah. Point your chin. Point your chin to where you want to go. Can't believe me never catch that.
Brother, the man start to gas now.
Yeah, me see him turn here and I go around.
Yeah. me just hear some.
Yeah, smooth man.
Smooth and round. You realize the more confident you get, the more gas you start. Yeah. But don't be overconfident now.
Yeah.
You see me? I like that. What I love right now, I like some cone to make you dribble. Oh, yeah.
You know me can't do that.
Yeah?
Me can't. Well, I can do it, you know, but that's choppy.
Yeah. Well, I'm ready for that because the way I see him move a while ago. I'm going to give a basic.
keep